Here question number 24 of GATE 2018 Civil Engineering morning session is discussed. Question is, it is related to steel. A steel column of ISHB 350 at 72.4 kg per meter is subjected to a factored axial compressive load of 2000 kN. The load is transferred to a concrete pedestal of grade M20 through square base plate. Consider the bearing strength of the concrete as 0.45 FCK, where FCK is the characteristic strength of the concrete. So using limit state method and neglecting the self weight of the base plate and steel column, the length of a side of the base plate is to be provided, and that is equals to, so options are given 39 cm, 42 cm, 45 cm and 48 cm. So here student needs to read the question properly. You should understand what are the given parameter and what exactly should be calculated. So here given parameters are factored axial compressive load. It is given as 2000 kN, grade of concrete pedestal, that is M20. So since M20 grade of concrete, we can say FCK equals to 20 Newton per mm square. Bearing capacity of concrete is also given, and that is 0.45 FCK. So what is to be find out? That is length of the side of the base plate. So if we go through the solution, area of square base plate, so that equals to factored load divided by bearing capacity of the concrete. So here basic formula is same, area equals to this load divided by stress. So load divided by stress, where factored load is already given in the problem, and stress here. So student needs to consider, or he should understand, that bearing capacity of concrete, that is 0.45 FCK. So that is nothing but in our problem, that is stress. So 2000 kilonewton, if we convert into newtons, 2000 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 0.45 FCK. FCK is already given, that is 20 Newton per mm square. So we will get this 222.22 mm square as the area of square base plate. So we have to calculate side of the square base plate. So it is very simple. We have to simply go through the formula, that square root of area of square base plate, that is the simple formula, and if we just put the value which we got for the area, that is equals to 222.22, so we'll get in terms of mm, and we want in terms of centimeters, so we have to convert it into centimeter. So final answer, it is around 48 centimeters. So length side of the base plate is around 48 centimeter. So though question is somewhat having more parameters, but student needs to read the question properly. He should understand what is given and what is to be calculated, and he has to calculate within a minute. This question should be solved within a minute. So By a very simple formula, sigma equals to, or stress equals to load divided by area. From there he can calculate area equals to load divided by stress, where stress is that particular 0.45 FCK. It is already given, load is already given. From there once you get the area, so side for square base plate, it is very simple, square root of area, and we will get, since it is a square base plate. Such kind of question can be solved with this kind of logic.